Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve black screen on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve black screen on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So then you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.